Let's look at part 4, the mixed review, the last two questions. You are asked to sketch and carefully mark. A sketch means that all you have to do is just draw it freehand and mark on there what you wanted to be right about it, and no big deal. It's very relaxed. The first thing, though, is the word trapezoid. I feel like many of you do not understand what a trapezoid is. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. It cannot have two, just one pair of parallel sides. This is an isosceles trapezoid. It's the one you're most familiar with.
Mommy,
this is called a right trapezoid because it has a right angle, but notice one pair of parallel sides.
Mommy, what are you doing?
These are other kinds of trapezoids. Notice that these sides don't have to be the same length. We just have to have a pair of parallel sides. Here's this one rotated a different direction.
What are you doing?
This one is interesting because this side doesn't go out the other way like you would think it would. It's actually an acute angle here and an obtuse angle on this side, whereas this one has the bigger angle. This is still a trapezoid. It's a weird looking one, but it has one pair of parallel sides. So now that we know all that, let's try to draw the one that it's asking for. Trapezoid PQRS with PS perpendicular to RS. PQ parallel to RS and an obtuse angle Q. Well, if it's got perpendicular sides, it is a right trapezoid. So I'm going to make a box on one end, and then this obtuse angle makes me feel like I should make an obtuse angle right here. There you go. Parallel, parallel, right angle. Now, it says PS is perpendicular to RS, PQ is parallel to RS, and obtuse angle Q. I'm going to start with the obtuse angle Q. See if I can figure the rest of this out. PQ is parallel to RS, so this side is parallel to this side. Well, I'm not sure if the R goes here or here, so let's read this part. PS is perpendicular to RS. PS, that means P has to be connected to S, so I'm going to put the S here, and R also has to be connected to S. So let's check. PS perpendicular to RS, yes, right angle symbol. PQ parallel to RS, yes, parallel line symbol. Obtuse angle Q, yes, that's it. That's what you needed to do. Now look at number 6. Sketch and carefully mark right scalene triangle. JKL with right angle J and median JM. Right scalene. It has a right angle and 3 different sides. A right angle and 3 different sides. There's my right angle. I'm told to make that J, so I'll go ahead and put a J right there. Right angle J. And the other 2 letters are K and L. I don't see anything that tells me where those have to go, so I'll just write K and L. And median JM. Well, median attaches the midpoint of one side to the vertex across the way. Here's the vertex J. Here's an estimate of where the midpoint is. And I'm labeling it M because it says to call it JM. You attach the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side, and that's a median.
Mommy.
That's it.